The reliability monitor that's natively built into client and server operating systems monitors hardware and software issues on your system over a selected time interval. So the way this works, I can put this in a days or weeks view. And here I have the scale of 1 to 10. This is how reliable your computer actually is. Now, ideally, you want your computer to be a 10. But anytime there's an error like there is here, there's a dip in your computer's reliability. So I can see this X that shows up here says my Microsoft Management Console stopped working, and it gives me a day and time that it actually stopped working. It just lowered my computer's reliability, and you can see that was 429. On 5/1, so just a few days later, you can see this starts to increase. So after a couple days, your reliability will start to tick back upwards as long as you have no other issues on the system itself. So just a quick way to get a snapshot to say overall how reliable is my computer. And you could even go back and say you wanted to see 30 days ago, within the last 30 days, I should say, how many times has this happened? You can look through your events and you could find out that this has happened every day for the last 30 days, possibly. And that may help you determine what's actually causing a specific issue. You can view the technical details of some of these issues themselves. So a very useful tool, perhaps more useful on the client operating system than on the server.